Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will describe the familiar sounds being heard in the environment. Did you hear any sounds? While listening to the sounds, what part of our body do we use to hear it? You're right! Our ears, or our sense of hearing. Are the sounds you hear the same? Some sounds are loud and some sounds are soft. Loud sounds are sounds that are high in volume. And here are the examples that produce loud sounds. Soft sounds are sounds that are low in volume. And here are the examples that produce soft sounds. This time, I will show you pictures, and you will identify if they produce loud sounds or soft sounds. Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!